So today we're going to be talking about the Google Nest Secure. The Google Nest Secure is one of those do-it-yourself security systems for the house. So you can use the security features that it provides and just leave it at that, or you can actually purchase additional professional monitoring for the house. The price point for the Google Nest Secure is $299. It used to be $399, but Google actually slashed $100 off the price to make it even more appealing and competitive with the other ones that are on the market right now. From a personal perspective, I didn't think it was really worth it before for $399 just for what it provides and the integration that it has. But now at the price point of $299, it puts itself in line with all the major competitors on the market such as Ring and Simply Safe just because of what it packs. And if you're actually a Nest ecosystem, you're gonna enjoy all the features that it brings into the realm. So you saw the amazing unboxing video before, but I'll just briefly touch on what's inside of the box again. It comes with the Nest Guard, which is that central unit, and it comes with 2 Nest detects and 2 key fobs, and a few other little peripherals. But at $399 before, I didn't think it was enough to meet that price tag. Even if you had the Nest ecosystem, I just think it was a little too spicy for a do-it-yourself kind of security system at home. But Google came over and said, let's rethink this and make it even more awesome and competitive with the stuff that's on the market. Number one, they slashed $100 right off the bat. So the price now is actually pretty comparable to the likes of Simply Safe and the Ring system. So there's still a little bit of a discrepancy on the price, but with Nest you get more stuff inside of that box. And number two, and certainly the best part, is that Google took the microphone that was already built into the Nest Guard and allowed us to turn that into another Google Assistant. So you don't have to get a Google Mini or anything like that. If you get the system, you can use your Nest Guard as a Google Mini. So it allows you to use the assistant capabilities on that Nest Guard unit. So many of the other competitors out there, they have different pieces for different things. So you have your keypad, and then you have like a base station. What Nest did is that you actually get that Nest Guard unit and everything is right there. That's your alarm, that's your keypad, that's where you tap your tags on. So it's pretty awesome and pretty minimalistic if you're looking for that nice and sleek look for your security system as well. So I think that they blow everyone out of the water in that aspect. Now the other cool thing is that the sensors are not just door sensors, they're actually motion sensors. And even if you install one in a door, it'll still act with the dual sensor capability. It'll act as a door sensor to see if it opened or closed, and it'll also act as a motion sensor because it tracks up to 15 feet in the surrounding area. Oh, and that's another thing I didn't mention about the hub. The hub also has a motion sensor that's built in right in front of it. So my unit, it's right across from my front door, so I didn't really have to use a sensor for the door because I can just let the unit sense everything that's coming in. Another little feature that other competitors don't offer is that the Nest Detect, so the little sensors that you install at your door or a wall, they also come with a path light. So if you're someone that wakes up at night and you have one in the hallway, as you walk by, they will just give a little nice subtle light that's enough for you to see where you're going. So if you want to protect the house while you're actually inside, you can also do that. It just adds another layer of protection so that if any doors are opened, the sensors are going to trigger. Now if you're inside, they're not going to work as motion sensors because they know you're still inside. Now the cool thing is that it provides you a kind of like a quiet open feature so that let's say if you want to let your dog out but you don't want to turn the system off, you can just go up there, press the button, and then it'll allow you to just open the door, and once it closes it rearms so that the sensor is back on, and if in case somebody opens after that from the outside, the alarm will go off. Well, if this was informative and the video helped you in any way, please smash that like button, and if you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button, click on the bell icon, and that'll let you know whenever I put my next video out right away. Subscribe to the channel because there's a giveaway going on right now for the first 100 subscribers. Well guys, that about wraps it up. If you haven't yet, follow me on Instagram at dialhometech. That's where I post like daily snippets and little tips and tricks that will surely help you on your home automation journey. And that's that. Thanks for checking Dial Home Tech. See you on the flip side.